Hello everyone, welcome to this new YouTube channel GK Cosmos. So this is the third video in this channel and we will be coming up with many more videos in this series for the past year current affairs and GK questions of 2020, which will help you crack up all the upcoming examinations in 2021. So we will put videos on monthly compilations so that it will be easy for all of us to get going. So we have already completed January, so after this particular video we will be completing February as well. So do watch the entire content till the end and wait for some exciting content. So coming up with the first question, guys. National Science Day is celebrated on which date? Here are some of the options. And the correct option is B, 28 February. Moving on. Before that, we'll give a brief description of why it is 28 February, because National Science Day is celebrated as to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. And for this particular year, 2020, National Science Day theme was Women in Science. This is just to put women up front in the field of science. Going ahead with the next question, question number 2. Which country has recently withdrawn from UNHRC? Here are some of the options. So the correct answer is Sri Lanka. C. Sri Lanka announced withdrawal from UNHRC resolution that called the accountability to human rights abuses committed during the national civil war with the Tamil separatists that ended in 2009. For people who won't be knowing what is UNHRC, UNHRC is United Nations Human Rights Commission. Moving on to the next question. Maria Sharapova, a very prominent name, who recently retired from women's tennis, belongs to which country? Not a tough question. Many of us will be knowing this. And the correct option is D, Russia. So Ajay Warrior, the next question. Ajay Warrior 2020, a joint military exercise was recently concluded between India and which country? So here are some of the options. It's a very famous military exercise. So the correct answer is C, UK. So India and British Armed Forces conducted the joint Ajay Warrior exercises in Salisbury Plain of central southern England for 2020 to train the troops, counter-insurgency and counter-terrorist operations. This can be seen as a very friendly military exercise which has been conducted. This was the 5th edition of this exercise which was been conducted between India and UK. So going ahead with the next. According to the World Population Review, India's economy was dash largest in the world in 2019. So here are some of the options. And the correct answer is B, 5th. So India has overtaken UK and France to become the 5th largest economy in the world, and currently the GDP is nearly 2.94 trillion. Moving on to the next question, question number 6. The mega event Namaste Trump. We all must be knowing about this particular word, was in a lot of hype in the news. So Namaste Trump was held at which place? It's a pretty easy one. And the correct answer, no brownie points for guessing this one, it's D, Motera Stadium, which is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So basically, Namaste Trump was a two event of 24th and 25th of February in 2020 in India. It was an inaugural visit of the US President Donald Trump and his family to India. So it was conducted in Motera Stadium. This was kind of the exact event or the response event of Howdy Modi, which happened in Houston, Texas, in September 2019. Moving on. Who will be the next chairman of NABARD? And the correct option is D, G.R. Chintala. So G.R. Chintala is a senior agricultural scientist from the state, and Govind Rajula Chintala has been named as the next chairman of NABARD. This is a very important question, guys. Do remember this. It might be coming up in the upcoming examinations. Going ahead with question number 8. The first ever Khelo India University Games is going to begin in which state? It's a very factual question, no data linked with this, so the option is answer B, Odisha. Going on with the next question, question number 9. Who won the World Sportswoman of the Year award at 2020 Laureus Sports Awards? Here are some of the options, and the correct answer is D, Simone Biles. So Simone Biles won the Sportswoman of the Year 2020 at Laureus Sports Awards. Moving on to question number 10. The cabinet approved the phase 2 of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin till which year? This is a very important one, guys. The Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin version phase 2 has been extended, so these are a couple of the years. So the correct answer is B, 2024 to 2025. This is the new update which has come from the government. Let's remember this. So the next question is, which of the following has been chosen as the motto for 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Here are some of the options: United Nations, United People, United Freedom, and United Emotions. Any guesses? So the correct answer is D, United Emotions. So United Emotions is chosen by the organizing committee for the year 2020. The motto reflects the universal values and unifying power of the sport. So the Summer Olympics 2020 will be held from 24th July to 9th of August in the National Stadium of Tokyo, Japan. Moving on to the next question. That's the last one for the set. Which country has recently approved to operate its nuclear power plant, Barkha Nuclear Power Plant? This is a very factual question, and the correct answer is UAE. So UAE is going to operate this particular Barkha Nuclear Power Plant from this particular year. The operations have been started. So that's it for today, guys. Do like our video, share as much as possible, and like the content. We will be coming up with many more upcoming videos for March, April, and so on till December. Till then, take care.